Our first stop is the icy waters of the Bering Sea, home to the treasured king crab. These colossal crustaceans are prized for their succulent and tender meat. The rarity of these crabs, coupled with the harsh conditions faced by those who fish for them, contribute to their hefty price tag. From here, they embark on a journey to the finest restaurants, where chefs prepare these oceanic gems with distinct care. Sautéed, baked, or simply steamed, they offer a culinary experience like no other. Watch as diners savor the unique flavor, their faces lighting up at the first taste of this delectable delicacy. Next, we delve into the world of caviar, specifically the Beluga Caviar, often referred to as the black gold. This delicacy hails from the Caspian Sea and is known for its large, glossy eggs and a buttery flavor. The scarcity of beluga sturgeon and the time it takes for them to mature makes this caviar a pricey indulgence. In luxury dining, beluga caviar is traditionally served on a bed-crushed ice with a mother-of-pearl spoon, often accompanied by blinis or toast points. It's a classic symbol of opulence and grandeur, savored slowly to fully appreciate its rich and unique taste. As we turn our attention to the bluefin tuna, an extravagance in the sushi universe, let's delve deeper into its origins. Residing in the vast waters of the Atlantic and Pacific Oceans, this magnificent creature is a marvel of the underwater world. Known for its impressive size, high-speed swimming abilities, and warm-blooded nature, the bluefin tuna stands out amid the oceanic ecosystem. Its luxurious buttery consistency and profound flavor profile are the result of a diet rich in oily fish. It's these unique attributes that make it an unrivaled favorite among sushi lovers. When it comes to preparing this prized fish, the technique is an art form in itself. Watch how the bluefin tuna is gracefully sliced and gently positioned on top of impeccably shaped sushi rice, a process that requires a perfect balance of precision and skill. The cost of this marine delicacy is steep, a result of several factors. Its high fat content, scarcity, and the time-consuming process of raising and catching them all contribute to the bluefin tuna's tag. Overfishing, however, poses a significant threat to the bluefin tuna population. The escalating demand for this fish has led to a severe decline in their numbers, pushing them towards the brink of extinction and driving up their price even further. Various measures have been implemented to protect this species, such as strict fishing quotas and breeding programs, but the challenge remains. As we watch people savoring this delicacy, the pure delight on their faces speaks volumes about the exceptional experience this sushi offers. The sight of sheer joy in their eyes as they taste this exquisite sushi is a testament to the bluefin tuna's unparalleled allure. It's not just about satisfying the palate, but appreciating the intricate journey of this remarkable creature from the ocean depths to the sushi plate. We now present the lobster adorned with edible gold, a culinary triumph meticulously handcrafted in the kitchens of premier dining establishments. Picture the juicy lobster meat, first gently steamed in a fragrant broth, caressed by the heat just long enough to coax out its natural sweetness and retain its succulent juices. Then, each segment is meticulously embellished with a careful drizzle of 24-karat edible gold, like a jeweler setting diamonds on a royal crown. The gold, shimmering under the ambient restaurant lights, creates a canvas of intricate patterns that offer a feast for your eyes before it even reaches your palate. The transformation of this humble sea creature into a gastronomic work of art is a process that demands patience, precision, and an artist's touch. Each step, from the careful seasoning to the expertly timed steaming and the delicate application of gold, reflects an opulent fusion of culinary skill and aesthetic sense. When you take the first bite, the taste and texture of the lobster meat truly shine. The sweetness of the steamed meat contrasts beautifully with the slightly crisp texture of the gold, creating a symphony of flavors that dance on your tongue. The gold drizzle, though tasteless, adds an unexpected crunch, an element of surprise that adds to the overall dining experience. Finally, the dish is served on a bed of aromatic herbs, under the careful orchestration of a seasoned chef. The aroma of the herbs mingles with the enticing scent of the lobster, creating an olfactory symphony that titillates your senses even before you take the first bite. This extravagant lobster dish, a testament to grandeur and sophistication, takes dining to an unparalleled level of opulence. The experience of consuming such a dish is not merely about quenching hunger, but indulging in a spectacle that appeals. So there you have it. The ocean world is not just a source of culinary delights, but also a treasure trove of some of the most expensive and indulgent foods. From the king crab to the beluga caviar, the bluefin tuna to the lobster with edible gold, these delicacies define luxury dining. Thank you for joining us on this Epicurean journey. If you're hungry for more luxurious culinary experiences, stay tuned to our channel. Until next time, keep your taste buds curious and your palate adventurous. As we continue our gastronomic voyage, next on our plate is the abalone, fondly known as the ear of the sea. This distinctive sea snail, with its ear-like shape and the shimmering inside that often adorns the realm of jewelry, is truly a sight to behold. But its beauty isn't merely for visual enchantment. It's a delicacy that graces the tables at special occasions, signifying prosperity and good fortune, particularly in the kitchens of China, Japan. The abalone is prepared in a variety of ways in these Asian countries. In Chinese cuisine, it is often slow-cooked in a rich broth until it reaches a tender consistency, while in Japanese cuisine, it is lightly grilled or served as sashimi. Regardless of the preparation style, its rich, buttery flavor and succulent texture have captured the palates of many gourmands. However, these qualities come at a steep cost. The high demand and the challenges associated with farming these sea snails have led to their premium pricing, marking them as a symbol of luxury in the culinary world. So until we embark on our next indulgent journey, keep delving into the ocean's plentiful treasures. Our culinary journey under the sea would be incomplete without mentioning oysters, the pearls of the sea. These bivalve mollusks are a beloved delicacy around the world, savored for their unique briny flavor that captures the essence of the ocean. The preparation of oysters involves a process called shucking, where the hard shell is carefully pried open and the meat inside is left untouched. This ensures that the oyster is served fresh, capturing the true essence of the sea on your plate. Some oysters even produce pearls, adding an extra layer of allure and value to these humble sea creatures. But these oceanic treasures don't come easy. The farming and shucking process of oysters is labor-intensive and requires a careful balance of environmental conditions, which significantly adds to their cost. So next time you enjoy a shucked oyster, remember the hard work that went into bringing this oceanic delight to your plate. Stay tuned as we dive deeper into the ocean's indulgent delicacies. Last but not least, let's dive into the world of sea urchin, the prickly delight of the sea. Known as uni in Japan, this unique delicacy is treasured for its rich, buttery flavor that's truly one of a kind. But don't let its spiky exterior deceive you. The process of harvesting and preparing these marine gems is intricate and risky to their allure. Armed with protective gloves, divers handpick these from the ocean floor, taking care not to injure themselves on their sharp spines. Once safely harvested, the sea urchins are gently cracked open to reveal their golden roe, which is carefully extracted, cleaned, and usually served raw to retain its tender texture and unique flavor. This meticulous amplifies the risk and effort involved, making them all the more valuable. The risk of injury from their sharp spines is a testament to the lengths we go to for good food. So if are a seafood aficionado with a taste for luxury, this gourmet experience is worth every penny and effort. So why not give this prickly delight a shot when you're feeling adventurous next time? Stay with us as we wrap up our deep dive into the ocean's indulgent delicacies. Thank you for joining us on this Epicurean voyage, exploring the ocean's most indulgent delicacies. We've journeyed through the depths of the sea, from the exorbitant king crab to the precious beluga caviar, the revered bluefin tuna, the opulent lobster with edible gold, the unique abalone, the lustrous oysters, and finally the prickly delight, the sea urchin. Each of these sea gems has a unique story, a tale of luxury, rarity, and culinary excellence. Stay tuned to our channel as we continue to unravel more such luxurious culinary experiences from around the world. Remember, it's not just about eating. It's an adventure, a voyage of flavors, textures, and experiences. So keep your taste buds curious, your palate adventurous, and your spirit hungry for these gastronomic wonders. Until next time, keep your taste buds curious and your palate adventurous. Bon appetit!